Hello and welcome. In today's video we are going to discuss about different type of soil. Study of soil is a topic in so many wine courses, so whenever you learn about the wines you go and learn about the soils also. It is a topic in most graduate level hotel management courses as well, because soil is directly connected to the quality of wine. We cannot get a great wine from a place which doesn't have a good soil. So before we start, I would like to illustrate a fact that wine doesn't grow in a very fertile soil. It needs a different combination of different soils with different particles serves different characteristics to the wine. A great wine comes from the great grape because it is a 100% natural product. Quality of grape is good, then you will get a good wine. If it is not good, you will not get a good wine. So it is simple as that. And good grape comes from the good plant, and good plant thrives in a good soil. So if the soil quality is good, it is maintaining the moisture, it is reflecting the heat, if it is giving the nutrients, so it will produce a good grape quality. So it is directly connected to the soil. So if that is why the French regions are so expensive, their wine are so expensive, Italian wines are so expensive, because of the terroir. Terroir is a combination of climate, microclimate, soil, environment, all these things together makes a terroir. So that is why we cannot make wines like French wines in India, because of the different type of soils they have. So let's see what are the different type of soil which is found in renowned vineyards around the world. We can categorize them in 6 different categories. So number 1 is the sand. Sand particles are made from breaking the rocks from thousands and millions of years, and these particles are comparatively larger as compared to other soil type. The characteristic of this soil type is that it drains well. So if there is a rain, there is a heavy rainfall, there is a lot of water in some region, so it will let the water go, it will drain the water, it will not hold the water. So this is the quality of this type of soil. Another quality is that it absorbs the heat and it gives warmth to the plant. So it is ideal for a region where there is a heavy rainfall and the region is cool, so the plant need some warmth. So during the daytime it will absorb the heat and then it will keep the plant warm. The region where this sand type of soil is found is Bordeaux, some part of the Bordeaux where it is mixed with the gravels, and Barolo, which is in Italy. Number 2 is the clay. Clay is a type of soil which is found in India also, and the quality of this soil is that it retains moisture for a longer time. So if it is ideal for regions where there is less rainfall, less water is there, it can hold the water for longer period, and it has got the elasticity. So it has tiny, very tiny, very small particles which can capture the water for a longer time. So if you have the regions where there is less rainfall and region is hot, so it will store the water for longer time for the plant. The region where this found is Barossa Valley in Australia and Pomerol in France. So number 3 we have the limestone, and it is considered as the best soil type for wine growing because it has multi-purpose effect. So far we have discussed about that sand, it drains well, and clay, it holds the water, but it has both the quality. So if there is a less rainfall, it will hold the water for the plant. If there is a lot of rainfall, it will drain the water. And how it is made? It is made from the decomposed body of fish and all the sea creatures which been lived on the seabed in ancient time. They have gone underground, and from thousands of years they have decomposed and compressed, and from their body this type of soil there, so it has got mixed in the soil, and it is considered best in the wine growing soil type. And it is found in Burgundy, where we have the very good quality Chardonnay and Pinot Noir, and it is found in Champagne region of France. The Champagne is very famous for its crisp acidity, which is one of the reason which comes from the soil of Champagne region. Number 4 is the volcanic soil. It happened because of the volcanic eruption thousands and millions of years ago. So whenever this magma or lava came in contact with the soil, it got mixed with the soil, and the fine particles are mixed with soil, which gives their characteristics to the wine. So this type of soil provides so much of nutrients to the wine, which are iron. They provide iron, magnesium, calcium, potassium. So all these type of nutrients are transferred to the final product, which can be felt in the wine. And they provide a very good drainage. So if there is a heavy rainfall, they can drain well, which is mixed with the soil. And the region which I discussed is Sicily in Italy. So in Italy, Sicily, there is a lot of volcanic soil type. Number 5 is the gravels. Gravels are the stones, the round stones, small size or big size. They are called paddle size. They are found in Graves regions and Bordeaux regions. In all these regions, these gravels are mixed in the soil. So they also provide different type of characteristic. They absorb, first of all, they absorb the heat, and they reflect the heat to the grape at time of growing, at time of ripening. When this grape ripes, they need extra warmth, they need extra heat. So the sun heat is not enough, and they provide extra heat to the reflection to the grape. So they provide their characteristic, and it is good for the regions. Like in Bordeaux, we have this gravel type soil. In Graves, we have this gravel type soil. Number 6 is the loam. Loam is a crumbly mixture of silt, clay and sand. Different particles provide different characteristics. For example, sand provides its drainage, and clay hold a little bit of water, and silt is another type which we have not discussed in this, because it is also a type of sand which is more finer than sand, and it holds water. So these are the main 6 type of soil which are discussed in different courses. And I hope you like the video, and thank you for watching. Continue learning, and if you find something useful for you, why don't subscribe. Thank you so much.